Have you ever wondered the best video conferencing app for teachers? In this video, I am going to share with you free video conferencing apps for teaching and learning. If you are ready, let's go straight into it. In this free video conference call for teachers, the number one on my list is Zoom. Zoom is one of the most popular conference call apps. It is the leader in the modern video communications with an easy, reliable cloud platform for video and audio conferencing. The free Zoom plan supports up to 100 participants and the maximum duration is 40 minutes. Paid plans let you chat with up to 1,000 people at once, plus other premium features. Number 2 is Google Meet. Google Meet is a video chat service created by Google. It is one of the two programs that will replace Google Hangouts and Google Chat. The best features of Google Meet is its integration with other Google apps. When you create a meeting in Google Calendar, you will get a Meet link that you and your meeting attendees can click to instantly join a call. Number 3 is GoToMeeting. GoToMeeting is an online meetings and video conferencing app that enables businesses to collaborate with customers, clients, or colleagues. Teachers can leverage on this app to teach their students from different locations. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Also remember to like this video so that Facebook and YouTube will show this video to other users. Number 4 is Slack. Slack is a chat app created for workplace. It has also gained popularity for personal usage. Slack centralizes team communication and collaboration so they can get more work done. Whether you work for a major corporation or a small business, this application is also ideal for collaboration between teachers and students. Number 5 is Free Conference Call. Free Conference Call is one of the most professional video calling applications available for free. It supports annotation, screen recording, and even radio streaming are all free features. It can support over 1,000 participants, all for free with screen sharing capabilities. The tool provides various integrations and other features to enhance your experience. There are other free video conference apps, and they are Whereby, WhatsApp, FaceTime, and Skype. In fact, many people do not know that WhatsApp can do conference call, but it can. I hope you enjoyed the list. Please subscribe and like. If you have any question, comment down below. Until next time, keep learning.